Hi, I am Indroneel Ghosh and currently I am working as a demand planner for Heineken, India. I have been into supply chain professional for last 15 years and have worked with some of the top names like ITC, PepsiCo and Samsung. The biggest learning was to mix up with the group because people have come from various backgrounds. There are people from service industry, supply chain, banking. So whenever there was a case study discussion, the perspectives that came in was very varied, and that also helped us look at a problem from a different angle and understand. Especially leadership lessons which were inculcated here will probably stay with us for a long time, and when you reflect back, you kind of understand where you are making the mistakes or where you can ensure you can work on and improve yourself. Those are the key learnings. Fantastic experience coming in. The bonding was great, the food was great, you got to live a piece of your life which you have left behind long back. I think the bonding will be staying with us for a very long time. The first and foremost thing is meeting people in person. You have spoken to most of them over your case studies, over your classes, but when you sit back and talk to them, you really put a face to a name, and then it's a freewheeling discussion on many topics which probably you will be not discussing when you are on an online course. So I believe I'm a popular face, and the other people who are popular also are a part of my gang, and we will be living for a very long time to connect and share our experiences.